O ka hā ka mea I ho'omau aku ka hā o ke ola. I ka hanu ana mai, ho'omākaukau mākou ia mākou iho, no ka lā e hiki mai ana, a ho'eleu mai ka ikaika. I ka hanu ana aku, holomua aku kākou I mua, me ka ho'i ana aku I ka mana a me ke ola, I ka honua a puni o kākou.
With the rising sun each morning, Iolani comes to life. Gentle winds offer a whispered greeting, and people pause to take in the early morning air. As the laughter of our youngest raiders rings through lower school, mirrored by the lively conversations of our eldest, sitting beneath the Sullivan Center, the sound of breath is everywhere.
Ha represents the sustaining breath of life. With the rising Hanu Mai, we ready ourselves for the day ahead and gather strength. As we breathe out, the release of Hanu Aku propels us forward, giving us power and life back to the world around us.
In chapel, deep breath allows us to exhale the words of the alma mater as we honor the values of our community and carry mystic strands of friendship and love into the future.
At every game, race, and meet, we inhale to center ourselves, both off the court as we support our fellow students, and on it as we prepare to take decisive action and strive for personal and team victories.
We breathe out as our individual voices join a bold collective call for change. We hold ourselves accountable to the endless pursuit of justice and compassion.
As we celebrate the 103rd volume of Kamo'olelo o Iolani, we position ourselves within a moment of stillness. Our breath empowers us to lift one another up, taking control of our present to shape a stronger future.
Now we ask you to pause. Listen to the rise and fall of your own chest and find strength in the space between each breath. You breathe life into this place.
O keia ka hā. This is Ha.